Hey YouTube, so I have this like kind of recurring problem and I wanted to show you how to fix it. So if you have like your YouTube video and you want to share it on Facebook and the share doesn't work, I'm gonna just like show that to you. So this is like kind of like what you want to share on Facebook, your description with the URL and everything. So you go to Facebook right here and then you make your post on your page and you end up with basically this dead image. Notice how there's no image here, but like it has a description. So I'm going to post this anyway because this is a YouTube problem, but it's a fixable YouTube problem. So I'll just do share, and then what you have is you have this link here that has a dead image, and even if you hit like refresh a couple times, you'll see that the image is still dead, and that's what we want to fix. We want to fix this image here. So if you get the URL itself, which is the share URL, so this URL here will be the same URL as if you push, like it's the same as this URL right here. And what you want to do is you want to go to Facebook for developers. So it's developers.facebook.com, and then you can go to tools, and they have all these tools here that are free to use. And you want to use a sharing debugger, and you pop that URL in here. So here's a URL that we got from YouTube, and we put it in here, and you'll see that once again the image is dead, right? So we can hit scrape again. So basically it's showing you like what it got the last time it tried, and sometimes when you hit scrape again it fixes it. Most of the time it doesn't, and you get the same exact thing. So what happened is the thumbnail is broken on YouTube. So if you go back here to your video, right, and you go to the YouTube Studio, which we're going to go to, you'll get to see my YouTube Studio. You have to find the video to start with. Right, so we're going to go to videos, and then this one right here was the one that was broken, so we're just going to go into YouTube Studio on this one. And this is the part of it that's broken, the actual thumbnail. So just switch the thumbnail to something like, make sure you have a backup of your thumbnail or whatever, but switch the thumbnail. So I'm just going to switch it to one of the ones that YouTube like suggested or whatever, so you can see it changed. Then you can go to the developer tools for Facebook, and then you can hit scrape again, and this like sent a new thumbnail to YouTube. And if you do this, typically what ends up happening, you might have to hit refresh, is the thumbnail will magically fix itself. And of course, like since we're trying to do it on video, it's not going to cooperate. And all you do is you just re-upload the thumbnail. So let's see, it was this one. And once the thumbnail is re-uploaded, all you have to do is just re-scrape the thumbnail, and it'll fix itself right here. So there it is. See, it came through because we changed the thumbnail and then we changed it back. And the good thing is, if we go right back to Facebook, it's still dead here. But if we just hit refresh on the browser, since Facebook fixed it with where they pulled it from, it should be fixed here. And it's not. Wow. Well, let's try to delete it. And let's repost it. So we're going to make another video. And there it is. So anyway, so that's how you fix it. You like the trick, like if you didn't follow what I was doing, is basically when you have the dead video, you go to the SharePoint developer tools, developers.facebook.com, and then from there there's a scrape again button which lets you refetch it from YouTube. But the problem is like YouTube screwed up the thumbnail, And so like what you do is you switch the thumbnail and then you switch it back. So typically, if you have a custom thumbnail, you switch it to one of the ones that YouTube like kind of suggests to you that isn't very good, and then you re-upload your thumbnail, and then you go back to Facebook and you hit scrape again, and that will make it so Facebook will fetch like the working one um, from from YouTube, and then at that point it'll show up on Facebook.